All right, pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. That was a ding, a defeat, and both of our ding at the end of the race, not defeat. We got 3 laps for Professor XTC, 3 laps in 2:16, Harrison, a 50, a 44, and a 42. For a combined time of 2:16. That is 3 laps in 2:16. Right now, without DVR reviews, Harrison Gale, you are on the bubble, literally in the number 64 spot. Brain Drain got 3 in that session, 3 laps and a total of 2:24, not his personal best on the run. He's, see where that is going to put him. He's, I think, a little bit higher. Yeah, he's already in the number 60 spot from earlier. We got 2 for White Noise. We got 2 for Team Defiance, and that is it. Now let's retrieve some quads.